Hey guys, as some of you would already be aware, just about every household in Japan has at least one bicycle. Some have many bicycles. Many have a bicycle for every person at least, is quite common. Mum, dad and the kids will all have a bicycle, that's quite common. So these ramps next to the stairs are also extremely common. So sometimes they're used for other things as well, but usually the main purpose, the main reason that they're there is to get the bicycles off the street. So sometimes they've been built when the stairs were built, other times you get situations like this where they've built little ramps onto the steps later on so they can wheel their bicycle up to the front door. There's only 2 steps there, you could just about lift a bicycle over those 2 steps, couldn't you? Sometimes public areas as well, if there's public areas to and from a park or to or from train station or things like that, quite often they'll have a ramp next to the stairs for bicycles. We showed you a really good one once in a bicycle car park that was automated, didn't we? Anyway, there it was. More videos coming soon.